There's another one of these Hampton Glendales. That one in there is a spray painted custom, but this one is wooden. So yeah. But I always thought the Glendale 2 because that little ring to the canopy is a Glendale 1. So yeah.
Are you on your way home with the baby girls? We'll do whatever you want to, baby. You got the baby with you though, right? Okay, no, take your time. I was just wondering. I'm on the order, so I didn't check my baby, so I don't know what you want. I can fix it, so. Let's see what my baby.
Wobbles a little bit. Wobbles. Okay. I really want to cut myself. Oh damn. Sorry about that. The chain was absolutely terrible. And it's like hard to press, hard to use. And it's wobbly. Blows air down, but the fan is completely junk a little bit.